Thank you. Hello, everyone. My name is Ginny, and I'm the Key Account Manager from SGS Hong Kong Limited. Thank you so much for Global Source inviting SGS to have this presentation today. And in this section, I will have an introduction about some cutting-edge functional sportswear and industry benchmark. And I have split into two sections. The first section will be around about some market response to this market. And the second part will be the trend and certificate. So according to OIA, Outdoor Industry Association, in 2023, the top 5 outdoor recreation activities are cycling, camping, jogging, fishing, and hiking. As you see, that it is around 17 to 18%. And for the hiking, it contributes 20%, which is the most people doing this activity. One of the reasons maybe the activity is not so intense, or it doesn't need a lot of protection gear. Not surprising, there's the market, the full market, the biggest market will be United States and Europe. And we find that there's a rapid growth in Asia Pacific as well. Even in China, just only 10%, it means already 96 million people are engaging outdoor activities. There's a forecast for the 2030. This is around 24 billion US dollar, and you can see that from 2023 to 2030, just 7 years, there's around 40% growth in this market. So that you can imagine that this market is still a very huge one. In a decade ago, I think people are wearing the outdoor garment when they really joining some outdoor activities or mountaineering. However, the trends has been changed very fast. Right now, some millennials, Gen Z, they are fully connected with the digitals. So that you know that these facilities, some outdoor or sport brand transcend their core business space, and also achieving mainstream popularity. The intersection of fashion and outdoor wear has led to various collaborations, such as those between luxury fashion brand and some technical textile high-performance outdoor items. This branding technical aspect with luxury aesthetics. In the fashion store, right now you still have, they have insert more leisure style garment, and they are also designed combined with the comfort, durable, and wellness. And of course, the last one is the outdoor brands. The outdoor brands is keep innovating to keep development, research and development to keep them in the main share in the market. So there's a sales figure in the US market in 2023. What's people buying? The most top one will be the men's and women's casual pants, and then the woven shirts and running shoes. Based on the sales revenue, you can see the top one will be the road running shoes. I think people are like buying shoes. Even I'm not always going to be workout, but I still keep buying the shoes every year. So there's a term of GOP core. Anyone eating corp here? Corp. If you're joining this, I think you really love outdoor activities. Corp. Okay, corp is a energy bar, like something that mixed with some dried fruit, seeds. I think there's a popular snack in the outdoor industry. There's another style called corp core. golf court is a style right now. It's kind of the quiet luxury, and when you see like the outlook, it is not using very bold color or very bright logo on the garment, but you can see that it's a street fashion with stylish, some sustainability elements, combined with comfort or even using some technical fabrics to make their garment. It's presented by some celebrities or some models, some influencers through the e-channel. So this is also a very potential market, especially for some famous brand or for the luxury brands. We also found that there's a study about the consumer, about what they are making the decision when they purchasing the outdoor apparel. There's a lot of the, have a good fit, looking good, feeling modern. Of course, it need to be functional. I just picked 5 of them because there's so many clients they are asking in SGS especially about the properties. For example, protection against weather. All we know that when we buy the outdoor apparel, we need the basic function, of course. But right now, we are receiving the client, they are asking in the winter, they need the garment to be more thermal keeping. And in the summer, it's so hot, and then they need some cooling fabric. So the product design is based on the climate changes, and also consumer also taking their consideration when purchasing the garment. The second one, I picked the durability. Actually, we also see the quality here. For the quality, as I mentioned, like if you're purchasing the outdoor garment, you will expect something is going to be function when you're in the outdoor environment. But durability is also is a very hot topic between the buyer right now. It is because we are talking fast fashion before, but some of the outdoor brands, they are keeping to talking about slow fashion. The consumer is expected their product is more durable than before. So durability test is not just our general standard. I can show you some the protocol is changing. One of our clients, they have split the product into consumer style and some professional style. And general consumer style, they will just testing maybe 5 washing cycles. But for the professional style, they will test until maybe 30 or 50 cycles of laundering. For the abrasion test, normally maybe 20,000 or 50,000 abrasion cycle. But for the professional one, they are asking for more than 1 million cycles. Of course, this is depends on the situation of the end use, but we can see that the expectation or they are keep going. Easy clean and keep the fabric fresh is also one of the consideration or the most of the topic between the sportswear. Because after you're doing the exercise, you will not expect there's a bad smelling keeping on your body. And people also need the easy clean or quick dry fabric to make a more easy care after doing the exercise. Around 2 weeks ago, I joined another textile show in Taiwan. Actually, this one, they are showing many of the new materials. They are talking about the preferred materials and lower impact materials in the market. I just raised some examples here, but not covered by all. For example, the textile fiber is direct from the pineapple leaves, banana trees. They are also selling some bio-based material, biodegradable material. It's very common. Every booth they are showing like this kind of the sustainability materials. In the middle, you can see there's a T-shirt which they claim that it only needed 3 cups of the coffee ground plus 5 plastic bottles, then they can make this T-shirt. And not only just a T-shirt, they also claim like because they adding the coffee ingredients, then naturally they have some anti-odor treatment. They can use it in a natural way. And this is just something new or what's happening in the shows today. For the recycled materials, we have some plastic bottles or marine waste, then they can transfer to some recycled yarn and make into the textile. The last one, I also see that there's machines which is designed to shorten their recycled material. The consumer, when they finish their garment, they can put their garment to this machine and doing the scanning. And then the machine will sorting out which fibers consist in this garment. And then it's also showing some green light or indication. Is it allowable to recycle of this garment? If this is okay, then you just put inside the garment into the bin. Before to the second part about the mark and certificate, I would like to share the video of SGS about the functional.
Hiking up snowy mountains, skiing down at high speed, the bitter cold, the thrill, the joy to accomplish something great, or taking a leisurely run in the summer, the heat, the sweat, the drive to run even further next time. Through the snowy hills to the suburban roads, comfort level for sportswear is essential for professional athletes and the general population. Comfort from wearing performance apparel is a pleasant state of physiological and psychological harmony between a human being and the environment. Over the past few years, a new athleisure trend has been emerging.
This trend has moved the apparel industry to another level of innovation, such as high-tech fibers, materials, and finishing coupled with highly fashionable design. Solely focusing on high performance in clothing is in the past. The new way is to focus on both performance and comfort level. In the textile industry, there are several aspects to wear comfort. For example, thermoregulation, skin sensation, body movement, and psychological. As an industry leader, SGS views wear comfort as a key trend in the textile industry. In addition to offering a full range of testing services, we help brands and their supply chain to bridge the knowledge gap with research and development support on various aspects of wear comfort. United by a global technical platform, our worldwide multidisciplinary experts are able to offer different technical consultancy services for brands and their supply chains, such as technical requirements needed for different aspects of wear comfort, and research studies by wearer trials to evaluate perceived comfort responses. Next time an athlete scales up that snowy mountain or a skier shoots down at the highest speed, you want to see them in the most protective and comfortable garments and footwear, because that's what you do. As your trusted partner, we are here to help you achieve that goal. Together, we can inspire ideas, innovate solutions, ignite passion in the wear comfort industry, and bring the industry standard to the next level. For more information, please visit www.sgs.com/comfort.
At SGS, we understand that to compete today's crowded marketplace, the manufacturers, retailer, brands owner have to push their quality of the product to the potential buyers. Our global expert team can assess the product and also providing the solutions for your product in order to meet some national, regional, and also international standards. So we have just reviewed the video and what SGS can be offered. I would split into 5 areas here. So the first one is thermal resistant. Actually, for the material test, we use a skin model, which is a threading hot plate in our lab. But in SGS Hong Kong, we also can doing some thermal tests on the finished garment, the outdoor apparel, and also the sleeping bag. For the sleeping bag, we also can advise a suitable temperature of your product according to the ISO standard. Second one is moisture management. This is not surprise. Actually, all of the outdoor brands and also the sport brand, they will also consist with these properties. Water resistant test. For the material, the traditional way will be just the spray test and also the waterproof test. However, SGS Hong Kong is also developed a new test for the finished product. We have a e-shower test, which we got the licensee. And this e-shower test is a mannequin wearing the waterproof jacket. And then we inside the testing chamber, there's a heavy rain and storm simulation. So that if you have a product that want to claim the waterproof test, you can also reaching us for the details. For the auto control, there's two ways. One is an antibacterial test, and other one will be about the deodorization functional of the fly bags. For the other functionals, there's a UPF test, far infrared or near infrared, even for the uniform, compression test for the tight fit garment, and cooling test for the fly bags. Here, I would like to introduce two SGS marks. One is the SGS Performance Mark. You can see that on the right-hand side, there's a testing report, which means this fabrics is already go through some testing. And if you want to apply the SGS Performance Mark, we will give you one certificate that is mentioned about this product description, which standard that has been fulfilled, and offering a trademark, a performance mark. And you can see there's a QR code over on this performance mark. When the consumer, they scan the QR code, actually they can review the details of this product. And this mark can be labeled on the product hand tag, on the packaging, store displays, or even put into your website. So just scanning, and then all the functional properties of your product can be shown. The other one is SGS Green Mark. The Green Mark services is more focused on the restrict substance test, and this is an example for the PFAS assets. At the right-hand side, our client has some target substance they provide to SGS, or if you don't have it, we can also suggest based on the regulations. And after test, there's also a certificate issued. And in this mark, you can see what kind of the product description, fulfill the standard or scheme, and what is the fulfill the requirement can be also showing on the mark. SGS Hong Kong has a technical team well developed, and also we have R&D center in our Hong Kong lab. We work with so many different outdoor brands, which is some top brands in global. So in case if you have any problems to the supply chain and also some product testing or new developed products, please feel free to contact us for the details. And today we also have an SGS team here. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Yes. Hello. There's questions, right?
Hi.
Hello.
The barcode that shows the SGS test is very interesting. My question is, for a startup brand, if they want to get their fabric tested and then share it on their website or on their hang tags, what kind of costs would the startup brand be looking at? Are we talking just $500, $5,000, or can you give us an idea on like what are the costs to get the test done and then to share it on websites or on hang tags?
If you talk about the test, first of all, we need to know your claim first, right? your performance of the fabric or products, then basically we will charge for the testing in the first stage. And then once you are passing the test, then we can apply the certificate and also review some document for you. This stage may be required around 5 to 7 working days to work out the math. But about the costing, I can get back to you maybe later on the stage. Is it okay? I'm sorry, but because this based on the claim of your product, so it's really need to discuss for you personally.